boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Powfu called Keepsafe. It's featuring Laeland, and I really love Powfu's creations, and this one is basically based upon two different chords, and we have this picking pattern that goes on there. So let's take a look at that, and we'll start here this one with no need for any capo. And we have these two chords, they're called G sharp major 7. A bit tricky to get sometimes, you have to be used to it a bit. And then we have the C minor. Okay, so let's look at the first chord, the G sharp major 7. And normally it's a bar chord like this, but for this one, since it's only a picking based song here, you don't need to bar it, you just need to have the bass note. So that is what I'm gonna give you. So it's 4th here on the E string, then it's 6th here, 6th fret on the A string, and then 5th on D and 5th on G. So a little bit awkward here, but I think you will get used to it. Just give it some time, some practice. So that will be the G sharp chord, and then you will switch to the C minor. And for this one, I prefer to bar it, but it's really the same case there. You don't need the bar actually, because you have all these other fingers here in front of your bar finger. So that will give you the 3rd fret on A string, the 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Those are the strings you will use. Okay, so it goes from this to this. And then we have this pattern here that's the same actually, just different strings, depending on which chord we're using. So let's take a look at the G sharp first. Goes like this. That is 1 round. You will play it for 2 rounds. So you will play, when you hold the grip here, I will just mention the strings. So you will play the E string, then A, then D, then back to A, and then comes G, then A, then D, and A. Okay, so slowly it will be like this. E, A, D, A, G, A, D, A. You play that for 2 rounds, okay, so like this. I'm using my 4 fingers here on my right hand. That's how I'm taught since I was younger. So I use 1 finger for each string, and that gives you this speed. Yeah, of course you can get the speed with a pick as well, but yeah, this is the way I'm used to play since I'm played in this classical way, schooled in that technique. So that is my way of playing it. And then you switch the chord to the next, which will be the C minor. So the pattern will be the same. So grab the C minor, and 1 round will sound like this. Okay, so now you start with the A string, then D, then G, then back to D, then B, then D, then G, and D. So you play 2 rounds for that as well. So like this. Okay, so it goes back and forth, these 2 chords. So that pretty much covers Powfu's Keepsafe. So good luck with this one, guys. Until next time, play tuned.